This picture was probably taken during a festival. The place is crowded with people, and I believe there must be something going on the left side of the picture because most of the people are gathering on the left. Apart from the people, there are 4 tents here and there, and I can see a blue air balloon on the right. On the river, there are some boats passing by. I can also see some thin smoke in the air. I can tell the weather is perfect for outdoor activities.
Begin reading now.